Today I'm checking out Blast Furnace Park in Lithgow. It's a 2-hour drive northwest of Sydney. The council opened the site to the public in 1988. In 2018, major upgrades including the boardwalk, signage and lighting were completed. The buildings seen today were constructed in 1906 and officially opened by the State Premier in 1907. Prior to this, the Lithgow Valley Ironworks and later Eskbank Ironworks occupied the site from 1875, ceasing operations in 1901. The site is easily accessible by ramp and the boardwalk over the foundations. There are sections currently under renovation, however they're easily visible from the top lookout. In total, I would set aside 15 to 30 minutes for an in-depth walk around the site. A number of information boards do a good job at explaining each of the ruins and showing photos of the site in the past.